Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this little trick that I figured out, which has made crafting so much easier for me. The first thing that you're gonna need is some kind of piece of, you literally can do this with anything. It could be a piece of cardboard, it doesn't make any difference. So you need 2 cans, 15-ounce cans. We be peeling, labels up. Who's old enough to know that song? Nobody? It is just oddly satisfying to do this. That is how you know you need to get out more. If you were in America, it's 6 1/4 inches wide. Millimeters is going to be 16. That's your minimum width. These 30 millimeters long, 12 inches. Let's go in your cupboard. I'm sure you have cans like this. The point is, make sure it has that kind of thicker edge for you to lay the glue on. We're gonna go spray that. Doesn't this look like a minion? I'm thinking of a Halloween project right now. So now that this is painted, it's gonna take 2 cups. All the product links or whatever the size of these cups, which I don't remember the second, will all be listed in the description box below. So fill 2 cups with water and just drop them in here like this. We're going to put some rubbing alcohol, which you can actually get your hands on now. So that's nice. I found these things on Amazon and they come in like this huge 50 pack and they're this thing is absorbent, okay? You could use this as like a puppy pad. In fact, you could even use puppy pads. That's a great idea. I don't have a puppy, but if I did, I'd just go ahead and cut down the middle and then it's perforated here, so that made a questionable sound. It was this, I swear. And I will use this thing all day long. You guys are probably like, okay, Raphaela has officially lost her mind. Let's say you're over here, you're doing your project, you're painting, blah, 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 you made a masterpiece, yay, a smiley face. That this one on your right always has the rubbing alcohol. Stick it in here and rub it around. All right, now we're gonna rinse it off. Then you can use this little pad to dry and shape your brush. So let's say that okay, I'm painting, right? And then, I make a little heart, whatever, but I still need to use this color, right? I'm not completely done with it. So then you can just put it like this. I know, I just blew your mind, because I blew my mind when I thought about this. So then you can put multiple ones of these down here. Then we're gonna dry him out, okay? And you don't wanna be, because you'll hurt your brush, and brushes have feelings too. This little contraption is for makeup brushes. Now that this is clean, but it is not dried, you don't wanna store your brushes like this, because if you store your brushes straight up and down, then the water goes back and it can ruin your brushes, and we're not here for that. Y'all can see it has these little silicone things right here. So, and you don't wanna try to put this in here because it's too light, right? You wanna put it in the little one. You need a little guy. And as you can see, it stands straight up and down. All your brushes can be drying while you're still working, and then, okay, great, it's the end of the day. You can pull it out this way, but I wouldn't do that because, you may have trace elements of rubbing alcohol or something on there. You don't wanna mess up with the silicone. And then when you're done, you guys, you can just put it here. So you can have an entire rack of brushes just sitting there. Let's say that you were working with a medium that was really much more aggressive than paint. You can take anything out of a little blender ball. You just need something in there that you can kind of agitate, right? Your brush. You have all your brushes and it's just standing on your table, it's drying out, and then when you're done, you can just flip them all over. So there you go, that's my little painting hack that I had to share with the world because that has sped up my crafting game, I cannot even tell you. I hope you guys found that helpful. Is this something that you guys think that you would build for yourselves? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoy videos like this, I do upload new content 2 times a week on Monday and Thursdays. So consider leaving a like, a comment, or subscribing and turning on that little bell so you receive notifications when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.